Yo guys, it's Magic123. I'm going out now, getting my bike, so I thought I'd just do a super quick bike check. If you can't see me right now, I'm getting my bike out. Alright, well, here's my bike. The back wheel is a Runter Motion 2013 replacement. The front wheel is a Diamondback rear axle and hub. I was desperate at the time, still ain't got a proper one. The frame and forks and stem are all Mafia bikes. The bike is a Mafia Class 2. The bars are 1980s retro GT bars. I have got an Amenity 3-piece crank with ODI pedals. The standard Mafia seat. There's no seat purchase, normal seat. It's that. Normal seat. I've got ODI pedals, ODIs, and I have got Mafia bike grips. That's just my quick bike check. I'll do some how-tos and some riding soon. Alright, see you guys later.